video, we will learn how to find out the price elasticity of demand and the relationship among average revenue, marginal revenue, and price elasticity. The question is, a firm has a demand function P is equal to 20 minus Q. P is the price, Q is the quantity. Find marginal revenue function, price elasticity of demand, and the relationship among average revenue, marginal revenue, and the price elasticity. Okay. So what we are being given, the inverse demand function P is equal to 20 minus Q. Okay. So first we have to find out the marginal revenue function. So we know that marginal revenue is simply the change in the total revenue due to the change in the quantity. Okay. That is the derivative of total revenue function with respect to output. To find out the derivative of the total revenue, first we will need to find out the total revenue. As we know, total revenue is equal to price into output or quantity. So P is 20 minus Q. To this we multiply by Q. So we get total revenue is 20Q minus Q square. This is total revenue. Now what is marginal revenue? The derivative of total revenue function with respect to Q. Derivative of Q in the first term is 1. We are left with 20. Derivative of Q square is 2Q. So this is our marginal revenue function. Okay. Next part of the question is to find out the elasticity of demand. Okay. So elasticity of demand, price elasticity of demand, as we know, it is equal to the change in the quantity demanded due to the change in the price times price upon quantity demanded. This is the formula for price elasticity of demand. Okay. So to find out dq upon dp, that is the derivative of the demand function with respect to p, we are being given the inverse demand function. We need to solve this for q. Okay. So given this inverse demand function, we need to solve this for q first. Okay. To find out dq upon dp, the change in the quantity demanded due to the change in the price. Okay. So solving this for q, so it implies q is equal to 20 minus P. Okay. So this is our demand function. Now dq upon dp of this function is, that is dq upon dp means the derivative of this function with respect to price. So derivative of a constant is 0, derivative of p is minus 1 here. Okay. Now elasticity of demand, as we know, is equal to dq upon dp. We calculate it as minus 1 times p divided by or let us write in place of p the given demand function, that is 20 minus q divided by q. Okay. So dq upon dp is minus 1. So in place of p we have this function divided by q. This is our elasticity of demand. Can we write it like this? Okay. So can we rewrite it as, we know that we take the absolute value here. Okay. So price elasticity of demand in absolute terms will be equal to 20 minus q divided by q. This is our price elasticity of demand.